Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's remove this glare from the glasses that this girl is wearing in Photoshop. So we're going to convert this into this, where the light disappears. Light reflected by the glasses disappear just like this. So let's start creating one. So drag any picture with, a subject that wears glasses with the glare or the light reflected by the glasses, and then hit Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer. And then as you can see, we need, to close the area with the glare with an area with the same color as the surrounding, which is this one. So select this one, the area with the same color as the edge of the glare, and then you simply, click on the marquee selection tool, and then you simply just polygonal lasso tool, not the marquee one. So Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste it, and then afterwards, drag it until it, overlays the glare, and then hit Control T, and then rotate it so that the light will actually be facing this direction, and then you scale it so that it closes all of the area of the glare, just like this. And then when you're done, you simply use the eraser tool, and then you increase the hardness a bit, and then the size to this, and then erase it so that we can still highlight the the edge of the glosses, just like this. Do it carefully though. Do it slowly and carefully, just like this. And then we can erase this part as well. Hold on. Until the light blue glare is actually gone. And then you can, increase the hardness. Decrease the hardness. And then you can simply, do it like this. So that, every area of the glare is all gone. It's not gone. Hold on. Let's increase the hardness a bit. So it looks pretty much like this. Nope. Let's actually, soften the edges. Click on the magic wand tool, and then hit Shift and the F6 key, and then set the feather radius to 2 pixels, and then hit delete. So it looks like this pretty much. And then you simply do some tweaks with the saturation, image adjustments, and then hue and saturation, so that it's vibrant, just like this. And then when you're done with the saturation, when the color is the same as this, click on OK, and then hold the Control key to select these two, and then right click on merge layers, just like so. And then you simply just use the patch tool to overlay some areas with the surroundings, just like this. And then for this, let's actually drag it into a purple area so that it matches with this purple area, just like this. And then we simply drag it like this, a darker color, just like so. And then we can also hold the left click button, healing brush tool, so we can heal. Hold on. Alt. No. Let's use the spot healing brush tool instead. Actually, highlight the area that you want to mix, just like this. You can even decrease the hardness so that the edges won't go hard, just like this. Pretty much. And then do the same for this one. Hold on. We're going to keep mixing until until the glare is all gone, just like this. Or maybe you can change the color of this one into purple by selecting like some areas by using the the rectangular marquee tool, and then Control C, Control V, and then head over to image, head over to adjustments, hue and saturation, and then make it purple by dragging the slider here. Just like this, maybe. Hold on. Alright. It's already purple. Pretty much so. It's already purple, so I click on OK, and then you erase some parts by clicking on the eraser tool, and then you simply, you know, erase this area. Hold on. Okay, erase the area, and then increase the hardness for a little bit, just to you know, make it match, just like this. And then when it's done, it will look like this pretty much. And let's, you know, decrease the saturation a bit. Adjustments, hue and saturation, and then decrease the saturation just a bit. So it looks like this. Then when you're done, click on OK. Afterwards, hold the control key to select them all, and then right click, merge layers, and then use the, you know, this one, the spot healing brush, and then select this area so that, you know, the color is blurred, just like this pretty much. Same goes for this. Same goes for this one as well. Hold on. And then this area as well. Alright, fancy. Now if we zoom out by clicking on this one, the magnifying glass icon, you're all set. The glare is all gone, and you know, the purple lighting is well mixed here, so that, you know, there's no light blue kind of light reflected by the glasses. That's how you can remove glare from this to this. Fancy, eh? Especially if you want to, you know, highlight the face of the subject in the picture. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.